Meaning of globe artichoke.
Globe artichoke.
Globe artichoke.
Globe artichoke.
Globe artichoke. Globe artichoke is a perennial thistle plant that is commonly used for culinary purposes. The edible part of the plant is the immature flower bud, which has a meaty texture and a slightly nutty and bitter taste. The outer leaves are tough and fibrous and must be removed before cooking. This vegetable is low in calories and high in fiber, vitamins, and minerals. It is known for its potential health benefits, including aiding digestion, lowering cholesterol levels, and improving liver function. Globe artichokes can be boiled, steamed, or roasted and are often served with a dipping sauce.